Good morning, guys. And I dropped my camera on my floor in here. Right there. I thought it landed on that wood piece, but no. Thank God it didn't. But I ordered something and it came in today. Right here. I ain't gonna show you the front because it has my name and address on it. But let us open it up, shall we? Been waiting for this. I'm a big fan of this game. Oh, God. Sorry. Alright, here we go. Bam! I got my copy of Super Smash Brothers DS. I've been waiting for this game. I always wanted. I've been a huge fan of the Smash Brothers series. No, they have one for the DS. This will be all the characters, new characters, Mega Man, Pac-Man, and Sonic. But and this one witch from whatchamacallit. But yeah, I can't wait to set it up and play it. Gotta play it, man. Been waiting for this release to come out, and it finally came out yesterday. Not yesterday, but I think last Friday or something. I decided to edit it. Not edit it, but buy it. But yeah, I can't wait to play it. I'm gonna probably play it tonight because my friend's coming over for a little bit today to work on some stuff for videos. And I gotta go to my old school and pick up my stupid yearbook. I was like, Cody, you better pick up your book. No, I don't want to. No. But I have to, or she will yell at me, Fanny Pack. She will yell at me, so. Letting the dogs out one more last time before. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, man, come on. Action shot. I got it. Right here. Let's try to find me here really quick. Getting close. Getting close, man. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Wait, what? Hey, Sheriff. Hey, Ray. Thanks for watching this. Where am I at? Here. I don't see you. Oh crap, what the heck happened? Let's see. I'll be right back. There I am. Scared me. I thought I wasn't going to be in this, but yeah. I don't know why, but it scared me. Alright, let's go to Quentin's house. Trying to change this tire. I don't know how to. Let's see if they can do it.
You gonna vlog?
Yep.
What the frick?
Fixing a tire. 2 off. 3 more to go. Woo! Yes, they are. There we go. I got it. Put it down.
You freak. You freak. Don't let me say. You gotta go to the last one.
Four.
Oh, you watching? Here's your red one.
No.
Just go to the side.
He's vlogging me! I'm not a truck.
What did you say?
Woo! All done! Yes! We're all done here.
Okay, now you gotta get the tire off. Wait a second. Hey, hold
I'll try that little hook on the end. Oh, I heard it.
Mm-hmm.
All right, you're going, boy.
I got you good. I don't think I'm holding it. Like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, shoot guns.
Here, shoot it. See that little doghouse?
Yeah.
Put it on full auto and shoot inside that doghouse. Hold on, let me. That's how you get the babies inside the... Make sure you're inside that doghouse. Oh!
Can I hit it?
Oh yeah, you did. You're going inside. Oh god.
Yeah.
Now we get to shoot.
Yeah! No, no, no.
Put it back on semi.
I want the machine.
Okay, so here's the driver.
Somewhere deep in the woods. It's like the techno part of the
Over and
song.
over and over again. Sammy the Gerbil and his muffin adventure. Make it your own. Sammy the Gerbil and his muffin adventure. Have fun with it. Sammy the Gerbil and his muffin.
Hey, great here, watching some Aqua Team Hunger Force.
Hey, what's up? We're still in the vlog. Hopefully he makes a long vlog for once instead of these. Hey guys, it's gonna be another one taker. Sorry guys, it's really late. These vlogs are really boring. Makes me want to dislike it, but I never do because I'm nice like that.
Look, you don't want to have
You're rendering a video.
It's taking forever.
Oh god, my battery's gonna die. It's blinking.
how sweet. What's in it for you?
I don't know if you can see it. Wait, yeah, you can. Oh my god! 14 minutes left.
It's about doing what's right and what's good.
You can see it clearly from here. The zoom.
Yeah, this is the part, the only part that I like.
Now we're in 6 minutes. Alright guys, well, I hope you guys liked the video for today. I had fun shooting that gun over at my friend's house. It's just like an aiming, so yeah. Anyways, you guys, I'm gonna end the vlog for tonight. Hope you guys are brand new. Please subscribe. It really helps out a lot. And I'll see you guys tomorrow as always. And have a good day or night or whenever you're watching this. Bye.